Children, today we will learn about Roman numbers. Before I start Roman numbers, let me tell you one small little thing. Beta, this number what I have written on the board, it is 73. But we have different forms of numbers, not types I am telling you. See, this is called as Hindu Arabic form. The letters, the numbers what we are writing in mathematics, they fall into Hindu Arabic form. Same way children, we have Roman numbers also. Now in Roman numbers, we do not have numbers. Roman numbers are represented by alphabets, or you can say letters of the alphabets. If you see, we have in all 24 alphabets, A to Z. Yes, all the alphabets are not included in Roman number to represent it in these forms. Collectively, we have very few letters what we use in Roman number. They are first I. This I is used to represent one a Hindu Arabic form. Then we have V. This is to represent 5 of Hindu Arabic form. Then we have X, which is used to represent 10. Now, till here it is easy, you all know. You move to your classes, you see the board outside the class and then you enter the class. You want to go to second day, you see the numbers. Basically in school, you will see the classes are mentioned outside on that board using the Roman numbers. Or you take example in many clocks, wall clocks, or even your watches. Yes, you see the numbers are represented in Roman number form. So till 1, 5 and 10 it is very easy. Most of you know. But after that, what we have, I will tell you one trick to learn. Now we have televisions, the slim monitors or the televisions. Yes, just before the LED televisions, which television we were having? We were having LCD. How we are spending our time in lockdown period? We spend time by watching television or on mobile. Yes, most of the time we are doing this only at home. So that television is which one? LCD. And remember, M for mobile. Is it clear? LCD, M. Now see the pattern 1, 5, 10. This will become 50. See the pattern 1, then 1, 0. Alternatively, we are getting 1, 1, 0. Again leaving one number, this will become 100. Check for this one 5. Leave one number 5, 0. Leave one number 5, 0. Again for M 1. Leave one number 1, 0. Leave one number 1, 0. Leave one number 1, 000. Easy. So you only have to learn the last 4 alphabets. 1, 5 and 10 you all know. This I have explained you with the trick LCD and mobile. Is it clear? So LCD, M. So the values are given here children. See, these are the values. Now this you will write down in your notebook. Copy this. Is it clear? But when we write the numbers children in Roman form, do you know we have some rules to follow. When we write the numbers in Roman numeral form, children, we have 4 rules to follow. The first rule is that you cannot repeat the letters more than 3 times. Remember, 3 times only you can take the letters together continuously. That means take for example 1, 2, 3. I am repeating letter. But have you seen ever this type of class 4? No, because this is not the rule. We cannot repeat it more than 3 times. 3 times you can take. First rule. The second rule is, suppose you take number 1 and 5. These are 2 numbers. For Roman number we use. So the second rule says that if the smaller number here, which one is smaller? I is used to represent digit 1 of Hindu-Arabic form and V is used to represent digit 5 of Hindu-Arabic form. Now you compare which is greater. The rule states that if the smaller number you place it towards the left hand side of the greater digit number, then it is subtracted. Take example. See with symbol you will understand. Smaller number, if it is towards the left hand side of that number, so we subtract. S for subtraction, and if I can also put a minus sign. Just check. 5 is one number and one number is 1. What does this become? As per the rule, it is towards the left hand side. So it will get subtracted with what? With the greater number. So 5 minus 1, C. Answer is 4. That is why this is represented as digit 4 of Hindu-Arabic form. Just the opposite is, children, of the second rule what we have. Its opposite is third rule. It says that if the smaller number is towards the right hand side of that number. I repeat. The third rule states that if the digit which is smaller is at the right hand side of the greater digit. This is greater, this is smaller. Now it is which side? It is at right hand side. Then you need to add it with the greater number. Now see, value of 5 was V is, sorry. Now see, this is 5, this is 1. The value is 5 and 1. As per the rule, smaller number is towards the right hand side. So it will get added up. See, this is why 6th class is represented by this Roman numeral. Is it clear? And the fourth rule is that you do not take V, L and D many times or 2 times also. We do not repeat it. If you want to write down 10, we could have written like this also, 5 and 5, 10. Have you ever seen such class or anywhere you have seen 10 being represented by 2 times V? No, because that is not the rule. V, L and D, they cannot be repeated more than once. Only one time you can take these numbers, letters. Now let us start. We'll learn to write down the numbers as per the rule. Suppose I want to write down 400. What should I do? Remember, again, like place value chart, every time we will write 1, 5, 10, then L, C, D, M. Value is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. I want to represent this in Roman numeral form. How will I do? I can take C. So 100, 200, 300. Somebody will say, ma'am, one more C. No, I cannot take. Why? My first rule, you cannot repeat more than 3 times. So 300, that's all. Or more than that, you can take 5 and make it 305. Or take L. Is it clear? You make it 350. I want 400. So this option is not correct. I will take D. But D means children 500. So what should I do? Yes, my second rule will be applied here. If you have smaller number towards the left, you will subtract it with greater number. The value of D is 500. Value of C is 100. And it is towards the left. Smaller number is towards the left. So I will subtract. What will I get? 400. So CD means 400. Okay. Now, suppose I want to write down 73. How will I do? I will take 50. You have L. 50, 60, 70. Is it clear? And for 3, 1, 2, 3. This is my 73. Is it clear? Suppose I want to write down 2000. See children, 2020. What should I do? 2000 means I will repeat M 2 times. 20 simply. No hundreds. So no C. But suppose if I would have been asked to write down, take one example from your book only, 1473. Then what will I do? 14. See, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So 4000, start writing. My M will solve the purpose because M is 1000. I got 1000. Now 400. I want 400. Just now we have discussed. Let us take 500 and minus 100. So this will become my 400. 73. This is 50, 60, 70 and 3. Got it? Now children, here we finish chapter 1 including Roman number. I am giving you one homework. You will write down first thing 1 to 100. All of you. How will you write? And you will, you will, first thing is, children, this is your homework. You will write down 1 to 100 in Roman numeral form. Please use your scale. Do it very neatly. After that, you will solve these questions. I am giving you a question. You will write down in your notebooks. Write the following in Roman numeral form. First is 33. Second is 333. Third is 3333. Fourth is 197. Fifth 609. Sixth 949. I am giving you 10 questions. 7 is you take 61. 8 is 719. 9th is 234. And 10th is 1. Take 4. 1, 3. Copy the question, try to solve, and I will be sending you this. Now children, please complete your work and let me know today itself as soon as you get your material to. Okay children, So you complete your work and let me know as soon as possible. From tomorrow, we'll start the new chapter. And on Sunday, I will be taking your revision test. That will be a live class. Any doubt you have, we will be discussing. Is it clear? Time we will discuss later on. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day. Why are you recording?